Come with me to FUNTOWN. Let's go. Walking in, and by us, I mean my niece and my daughter. That's a view. That's me living my best life. Bye. Getting ready. That's the first entrance. And here we go. Okay, we're walking in. We already had our ticket, so all we gotta do is pay this lovely gentleman. And that's me. And Maya. There we go. That's me getting mine. And we are walking in. And trying to take a break. Woo! That's me living my best life. Woo! Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. And we are heading over to SPLASHTOwn, which is the area in FUNTOWN. It's so fun. There's water slides. There's me living my best life again. Hey, girl. Maddie and Maya up on top of the water slide. So Maddie. So Maddie. There's Maya. Such a fun, beautiful day. And then having another water slide. SPLASHTOwn. Here's me. I found a little friend. And that's the girl who made our ice cream. She was so cool and nice. And the ice cream was delicious. And it was overall just wonderful. And that's the completion. And that's Maya getting their ice cream. Okay, moving on. That's another friend I made. Hello. The coolest thing is to get to do with the log school, which is such a fun ride. If you do it, it should. It's really fun. And that's all of us doing the log room. Here we go. Okay, here we go. We're all in. Set, secured. There's Maddie. That's my niece. It's all ready to go. We're just waiting. And off we go. Bye. She's such a nice lady. There's my daughter in the front. This is SACO MAINE. Here we go. Riding down the log flume, which is a fun ride. It's a water ride, but it's also a roller coaster. Here I am. Hey, girl. Hey, what's up? Looking fabulous. Alright, off we go. There's Maddie. And just another random picture. And that was the Dragon's Descent, which is a fun up and down roller coaster, which is really, 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 really fun. And there's Maddie and Maya on the Dragon's Descent. Woo! Living their best life. Up high on the... Oh, and then... Okay, this one is one of the oldest roller coasters in Maine. It's an all-wooded roller coaster. It's really cool. There's Maddie and Maya getting in line for it. It's up a little hill. Okay, and this is a view of something they just added to FUNTOWN. It's kind of like an old haunted mansion ride, which was really, really fun. This is one of the last things that we did while we were there. We didn't have a very big line at all. This was our first time being in there. That's the front of that little mannequin was like telling a story about a haunting. And let's take a little view. Here I am again. Woo! What's up, everybody? Welcome in. Hey, peace. Alright, that's a view of the front of the mansion ghost ride. This little person tells a story. And then we're just in here walking around. Okay, here we are getting on the little mansion ride. They told us not to film, but as you can see, I did anyway. It was a nice person telling us how it all worked, and they gave us like little guns so you can shoot ghosts, and here we go. I didn't get a lot of filming, so you weren't really supposed to film. That's me shooting at some ghosts. And that was our trip to FUNTOWN. Catch us next time for part 2. Hope everybody has a great day.